China just dropped their latest AI tool, Manus, and it is absolutely mind-blowing. This feels like what AI is really going to look like in the future because it's basically a combination of the best things about ChatGPT, from Grok, from Gemini, from Claude, from all these different tools combined into one, and it can actually do tasks for you. Like, look at this. This is literally this tool doing dozens of different tasks at one time because this is not only an LLM, it also gets stuff done. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to access it and several different use cases that are gonna blow your mind. Okay, so here's how you're actually going to get started with this tool. You need to come over to manus.im and then click in the top right-hand corner, click on Get Started, and essentially you need to get invited in order to use this tool. So you need to come over here, click on Apply for Access, you need to give them your email, and you need to tell them how Manus can help you. And as it says down here, it says, please tell us how you plan to use Manus. The more details that you provide us with about your needs, the better we can tailor our solutions to your needs. You're going to submit request right here, and then this is going to pop up. Essentially, it is going to say that if you join their Discord, you could get early access or you can explore several different use cases. So let's go through a few of these. So once you go into here, this is going to show you featured use cases, research, for life, for data analysis, for education, productivity, and WTF, which is just going to be a bunch of really crazy things. For example, if you come over here to featured, you're going to see that you can plan and even book a trip to Japan. You could analyze stocks. You could create an interactive course. You could get a list of different companies. You could have it do a bunch of different things. Now, one of my favorite things that you could do with this tool is if you come over here to see how others are using Manus, this is really, really incredible. So it says here, got a task, let Manus take care of it, submit yours, and see the best results featured here. So literally, we could go through a bunch of different tasks right here that other individuals have used in order to actually do things. For example, if we look over here for generate SEO friendly blog post that passes Google, if we click on this, this is literally going to go through and this is going to show us a recording of what happens when you actually type this in. And the reason that I really like this is because you are able to see exactly what this tool does in real time depending on how it's prompted. And if you use this intelligently, what this is going to allow you to do is study exactly what prompts work the best with this tool in order to get the most desirable outcome. And one of the best parts about this is we could literally sit here and watch this do this, or we could click skip right here. This is done now, and it literally went through and did all of this, and we could see this over here where it gives us exactly what this asked for, which is generate an SEO friendly blog that passes Google's AI test. We could take this and it will pass Google's AI test. And this is basically just a blog post that we can use. But again, there are tons and tons of different examples down here. And if you come down here, you can share different ideas on the web and explore other amazing creations. Again, this is absolutely incredible. And if we come down here, we could see that this is better than OpenAI and previous Soda at level 1, level 2, and level 3. And this is absolutely insane. You are not going to believe all the other things that this could do. Now, before we get into more insane use cases that I've seen people do with this, I need to make sure that you smash that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest AI tools, because I upload videos every single day about the latest updates and exactly how to use these tools. So use case number 1 here is going to be getting this to deeply analyze Tesla's stock. So if we click on this right here, this is going to go through and analyze Tesla's stock. And as you can see from the prompt here, it says, I would like a thorough analysis of Tesla's stock, including a summary, I want financial data, I want market sentiment, I want a technical analysis, I want to compare assets, I want a value investor's perspective on this, and I want an investment thesis. Now this is going to go through and say, great, I'm going to go ahead and do this. And as you can see, it's connecting to a bunch of different data sources. It is connecting a bunch of information, and it literally keeps prompting itself to do a bunch of different things. And as we can see here, this is going through and doing all of this. And this is absolutely insane. This is what the future is going to look like of you having an idea or you getting ideas from AI and then AI actually going through and executing on all of these things, because this is absolutely frame breaking. And again, this is only the first use case. I still have several other use cases that I want to walk you through, but let's skip to the results here and see what this actually went ahead and got right here. So as we can see here, this went through and this gave us a detailed explanation of where Tesla's stock is right now. So we could see the historical stock data, aka it gives us the high, it gives us the low, it gives us a revenue analysis. As we can see here, Tesla has shown remarkable growth with revenue increasing from $24 billion to $96 billion. When it comes to profitability, it says that they've seen significant progress from negative operating income in 2019 to substantial profitability in recent years. It went through its different balance sheet strengths. It went through its cash flow analysis, R&D capital investments. And if we come down here, this actually gives us a bunch of different files here that we could look at that show different analyst ratings, different price targets, and how news is currently impacting the stock. And if we come down here, this goes through and shows us the different market sentiment analysis. And we can scroll through each of these things and it will tell us whether or not this thing's Tesla is actually a good buy. And what this did right here is went through and did incredibly high level market research on Tesla, where otherwise this would have taken hours and hours to do, or you would have had to pay a ton of money for this. And if we want to look at the overall thing right here, we literally just click right here, and this gives us the total financial analysis here and whether or not they would recommend investing in it. And this is going to be the future of how people are going to do research for stocks and a ton of other things. Now, this next use case right here is going to be incredibly useful for the far majority of people because the far majority of people do not own things that they have. So what we're going to show off right here is this going through and creating a table for all the key information in this lease contract, such as accounting information, key date information, and clause details provided into different sections. As we could see, this is literally going through the entire contract that was uploaded right here. And what this does is goes through it, and then it's going to create us a detailed analysis of whether or not this looks like this is going to be a good thing to sign. Now, as we can see here, we have all of this right here on the right-hand side. It literally went through and created a table of everything that's important within this. And again, we could click on this and see this exact file, but we can go through here and actually see all these different things. For example, the financial information, the rent here is over $12,000, which is pretty insane if you ask me. We come down here, this is going to be the rent adjustment schedule. We'll see parking, we'll see taxes, we'll see operating expenses. And as you can see, this is a pretty in-depth contract. There are a lot of things that are in here regarding insurance, regarding maintenance, regarding environmental provisions, legal provisions, and this makes it incredibly easy for instead of us reading through this incredibly long contract to just be able to get all of this summarized, all of the key details that we need to know so that we can look at this. And this is going to be incredibly useful, not just against one lease agreement, but if you had thousands of them or hundreds of them, or maybe you had dozens of something that you were looking at, you're going to be able to upload this to Manus, and this is going to be able to automate most of that work for you. Now, if you thought that use case was helpful, look at this one. This right here is going to analyze different travel policies and provide a comparative table with key dimensions to clearly highlight the differences between them. Essentially, I'm getting this to then highlight different things between different travel insurance policies to see which one's the best. But you don't just have to do this with travel insurance. You could do this with car insurance. You could do this with house insurance, renter's insurance, any type of insurance, health insurance, dental. If you want to be able to quickly compare policies, like I know that I just went through on my house, on my cars, and on healthcare, looking at different insurance policies, and it was insane in order to do that. But this tool right here makes it incredibly easy. In fact, it literally just went through in like less than 30 seconds and gives us an analysis. So it gives us an executive summary, an introduction, methodology, and then it actually goes through and compares all these different things. And guess what? It puts this very clearly in a comparative analysis table so that we're going to be able to see which one of these is actually going to be best. And at the end here, if we aren't happy with what it gave us, we could say, hey, could you please do this? Or could you please do that? And again, we could take this a next step further by coming over here and looking at this, where we are actually able to create an interactive course. This is going to completely change the game when it comes to teaching. So this prompt right here says, I am a middle school physics teacher preparing to teach the law of conservation of momentum. Could you please create a series of clear and accurate demonstration animations and organize them into a simple presentation HTML? Now this is nuts. I cannot believe what I am seeing right here. In the past, this may have taken a teacher a day, It may have taken them a week. They may have spent an incredibly long period of time actually creating what this just went ahead and created in just a few seconds. This literally went through and created an entire course right here on all the different things that they need to learn, and we could mess around with these things in order to see how they actually change. Do you have any idea how game-changing this is going to be for education, for teaching people things, for learning things? This is going to completely change everything that we know about the current education system. Why? Because this is going to make things more interactive. It's going to make things more personalized. Let's say that some people learn visually, it'll be able to do that. Let's say people learn with videos, it'll be able to do that. Let's say that people learn from text, it will be able to do that. In fact, you can already do that pretty easily with traditional LLMs, but this is going to completely change the game. And this next use case is by far my most favorite. In fact, there are so many of these that are so useful, I couldn't decide, so I actually want to show you 2 of them. But I want to talk about 3 of them. This first one right here is going to be candidate interview schedule. This is going to go through and this is going to efficiently organize interviews for 40 different candidates with the optimal time to maximize productivity. This one right here is where you can describe your business model and target B2B customer profiles, and Manus will actually go through and develop a comprehensive customer mapping to identify your ideal prospects. And this one right here is pretty insane. Financial statement review and verification. This is going to perform a thorough audit of companies' financial statements based on provided financial records, ensuring accuracy, compliance, and it's going to ensure you are actually up to standard with compliance and accuracy. So let's see this happen right here. And over here, we're going to open this other one where this is literally going to go through. So this says right here, we are a tech consulting firm with an in-depth research on technologies in the Gen AI field. Please create a potential customer form for us. The target companies are B2B American companies in the developmental stage before Series B that need AI technology empowerment. Please list at least 15 companies clearly stating their contact information, company business introductions, addresses, and other specific details, and make a dashboard for this. Do you have any idea how game-changing this is going to be? You are literally going to be able to upload to AI exactly what your business is, what you're doing, and it is going to go ahead and it is going to find you your customers for you, or at least who you should reach out to. And this is going to completely change the game, because in the past, you'd have an analyst do this, you'd have an intern do this, or you might be doing this yourself. And I want you to think about something. If you are not up to date on using these tools or being on this cutting edge of technology, you are going to get left behind. I come from the world of social media, where if you were on social media and you understand what's going on social media, you could get customers way more easily. But this is groundbreaking. This is going to be way more important than that, because this is literally going to build you out a dashboard that will show you all of these different things. For example, all these different companies, where they are, the average number of employees. You could come down here and look at all these different companies. You have all this different information on them, and you are going to be able to reach out to them. It literally gives you everything. It gives you their contact, it gives you their website. It tells you all the information that you need to know about them in order to hop on a phone call. And it did this in just 30 seconds. If we come over here and look at this one, it says, can you do a first pass review of this financial statement and tie out the supporting Excel work papers? So if we go through this, again, this is going through here. Look at what this is doing. This is doing the work of like a dozen people. And this is doing the work that would take somebody hours and hours and hours. And this has gone through and actually found key findings. And then guess what? From here, it literally put this in an entire thing right here. And I can go through this right here and I can preview this entire thing. And I could see the summarization that this actually gave us. This right here is insane. This is going to be the future, where AI is actually able to, once prompted and given access to information, be able to complete these incredibly complex tasks that otherwise couldn't have been done. And again, if you want to sign up for this, come to manus.im, come up here to get started, put your email in so you could get one of those activation codes, and then come over here and check out all these different use cases. Because I only went through a few, but you could do some really crazy things, even like podcast editing. Now, if you like this video, you're going to love this video right here that walks you through another AI agent that can actually allow you to automate and complete most of your tasks. I'll see you over there.